Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your Bose S1 Pro Plus on your iPhone. You have to start by open App Store and now go to the search. Click at the search line and write Bose. Now search and you should install this application. Now open it. I recommend it to sign in into your account because sometimes you can't add a device without signing into your account. But you can also skip it by click do it later. But I'm going to sign in. Write your email and password right here or create a new account by click create one. After you wrote it, click sign in with email. Next, hello. I'm going to turn on notification, but you can click no thanks and it will disable. Hello. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!